In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share in Wrike. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give someone access to a project so they can view and collaborate with you without overcomplicating anything. First, open Wrike and sign into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. That sidebar is your main navigation. If it's collapsed, click to expand it so you can see your spaces, folders, and projects. This makes it easier to get to the exact place you want to share. Next, select the project you want to share. Take a second to make sure you've opened the correct one by glancing at the project title and contents. It's always a good idea to confirm you're in the right location before granting access, especially if you work with multiple similar projects. With the project open, head to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel or dialog where you can add people and control who gets access. If you don't see it at first, make sure you're actually inside the project and not at a higher level folder or space. Now, in the sharing field, start typing the email address of the person you want to invite. Type carefully and double check for typos so your invite reaches the right person. If Wrike recognizes a teammate, it may suggest them as you type. Go ahead and complete the address as needed. This step is simply about specifying who should be able to access this project. Once the email is entered, review what you've typed one more time, then proceed to save your changes. Click Save. Depending on the view or the version you're using, you may also see a button labeled Share to finalize the invitation. Click that as well to confirm. The key idea is to commit the change so Wrike actually sends the invite and updates the project's sharing settings. After you've saved and confirmed, click Close to dismiss the sharing window. You'll return to the project view with your updates applied. The recipient should now have access, and they'll typically receive a notification or email letting them know they've been added. A quick tip before we wrap up: when you're sharing, make sure you're only giving access to the specific project that needs collaboration. Keeping sharing targeted helps protect other work and reduces clutter for your collaborators. And if you ever need to adjust who can see the project, just reopen the same share area and update the list. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective. You've successfully shared a project in Wrike.